Hey everybody, thought I'd do a short video and explain the workings of my homemade parabolic dish. It's just actually a squirrel baffle to protect your bird feeders. Got about 40 bucks in it. 16 of it's the microphone, 12 on the squirrel baffle, and maybe 45. But it works really well. It's just a powered omnidirectional microphone. We took it out in the swamp last night and did a comparison with this same camera of how good it picks up sound with and without the dish plugged in. And I've got about 4.5 hours I recorded night before last that I'm currently going through, so if there's anything interesting I'll be posting that. Thanks for watching. This is just a video to show how good this homemade little contraption works. To about 20 seconds. That's with the dish plugged into the camera. And that's the sounds of the swamp without the dish. And plugged back in. I'm quite happy with how well it works.